Okay, so in last class we discussed multiplication theorem and independent events. So today we will do some problems on these concepts. Okay, the problem is let A and B two dice roll simultaneously. E1 is the event, die A shows up 4. E2 is the event, die B shows up 2. E3 is the event, the sum of numbers on both the dice is odd. Okay, then which of the following statement is not true? Okay, so in 4 statements there is independence is there, so you have to check independence of this events. Okay, fine. Now what is the probability of E1? So 2 dice rolled, so total possibility is 36 because 6k 36. Now die A shows 4, so die A shows 4 means die B shows any number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, but die A should show 4, so the possibilities are 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 5 4 6, so 6 possibilities. So 6 by 36, which is 1 by 6. So probability of B, okay, probability of E2, okay, that die B shows up to, so here also 6 possibilities, that is 1 by 6. Next, sum of numbers on both the dice, okay, is odd. సో ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది మనకి? సో 2 నెంబర్స్ తీసుకుంటే ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అనేది 1 ఈజ్ ఆడ్, అనదర్ 1 ఈజ్ ఈవెన్. ఓకే, దెన్ సమ్ ఈజ్ ఆడ్, సమ్ ఆఫ్ 1 ఈవెన్ అండ్ ఆడ్ ఈజ్ ఆడ్, అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈవెన్. సమ్ ఆఫ్ 2 ఈవెన్ ఈవెన్, సమ్ ఆఫ్ 2 ఆడ్ ఈజ్ ఈవెన్. సో సమ్ ఆఫ్ 2 నెంబర్స్ ఆడ్ మీన్స్ వన్ ఆఫ్ దమ్ ఈజ్ ఈవెన్, అనదర్ 1 ఈజ్ ఆడ్. ఓకే, సో అంటే మనకు పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఎట్లా రావాలి? ఇప్పుడు డై ఏ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ వచ్చింది అనుకో, డై బి ఆడ్ నెంబర్ రావాలి. ఓకేనా? సో డై ఏ పైన ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 3 ఉంటాయి. సో డై బి పైన ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 3 ఉంటాయి. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో 3 into 3 9. ఓకే, సో ద ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ E3 ఈక్వల్ టు, సో డై ఏ పైన ఈవెన్ నెంబర్, బి పైన ఆడ్ నెంబర్, 3 into 3 9. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ పైన ఆడ్ నెంబర్, బి పైన ఈవెన్ నెంబర్. సో అగైన్ 3 into 3 9 కేసెస్. సో 9 plus 9 18. సో 18 by 36, which is 1 by 2. Clear? Now we have to check options. The first one, E1 and E2 are independent. So independent means which condition they have to satisfy? E1 intersection E2 equal to probability of E1 into probability of E2. Then E1 and E2 set to be independent events. Okay na? Now, so probability of E1 intersection E2. So E1 intersection E2, what is that? Now what is the probability of E1? 1 by 6. Probability of E2 is 1 by 6. Okay, which is 1 by 36. Okay, so E1 intersection E2. So die A shows up 4, die B shows up 2. Okay, so both conditions satisfy చేసేది ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఎస్ ఆర్, ఎందుకంటే మనకి 4, 2 అనే ఒక ఆప్షన్ వస్తుంది. 4, 2 అనే ఒక ఆప్షన్. ఇక్కడ డై ఏలో ఆప్షన్స్ ఏంటి? 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6. డై బిలో ఏంటి? 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 సారీ. ఓకే, యా E1 ఈవెంట్లో పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఏంటి మనకి? 4 1, బికాస్ డై ఏ షోస్ 4 నా, 4 1 4 2 సో ఆన్ 4 6. సో E2 ఈవెంట్లో ఏంటి? డై బి షోస్ 2 అంటే 1 2 2 2 3 2 సో ఆన్. Okay, 3 2 4 2, yes, 5 2 5 6. These are 5 6 2 6 2. These are the possibilities in it. సో ఈ రెండింటికి కామన్గా ఉన్నది ఏంటి? 4 2 is the common. This one 4 2 is the common. So only one common is there. So that means this is only 1 by 36. So 1 by 36. So it is clear. So E1 and E2 independent events. Yes. Now, but what we want? We want the statement which is not true. The statement which is not true. Okay, na? Fine. So we don't want this statement here. Now E1, E2 and E3 are independent. Okay. So probability of E1 intersection E2 intersection E3 equal to probability of E1 into probability of E2 into probability of E3. You have to check whether it is correct or not. So probability of E1 is 1 by 6, E2 is 1 by 6, this is 1 by 2, which is 1 by 72. Okay, 1 by 72. Now what about this? E1 intersection E2 intersection E3 అంటే ఏమి డై ఏ పైన 4 రావాలి, డై బి పైన 2 రావాలి, అండ్ దే సమ్ ఇస్ ఆడ్ రావాలి, అంతే కదా. E1 ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ E2 ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ E3 అంటే 3 కేసెస్ కూడా సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలి. డై ఏ పైన 4 రావాలి, డై బి పైన 2 రావాలి, అంటే 4, 2 అనేది వస్తుంది. E3 ఏంటి, దేర్ సమ్ ఇస్ ఆడ్ అన్నారు, 4 + 2 అంటే 6 అవుతుంది, ఆడ్ కాదు కదా. కాబట్టి దిస్ ఈజ్ 0, అంటే there is no such a event. So 0 equal to 1 by 72, it is not possible. Okay, so this statement is అంటే E1 E2 E3 ఇండిపెండెంట్ అనేది రాంగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్. మనకి ఏం కావాలి, నాట్ ట్రూ స్టేట్మెంట్ కావాలి. ఎస్, ఓకే. సిమిలర్లీ E1 E3 చెక్ చేయండి. E1 E3 చెక్ చేస్తామంటే దాని దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో ఇండిపెండెంట్ అవుతాయి. E2 E3 చెక్ చేసిన దే ఆర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఈవెంట్స్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే. సో ద స్టేట్మెంట్ విచ్ ఇస్ నాట్ ట్రూ అడిగారు కాబట్టి E1 E2 E3 ఆర్ ద ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఈజ్ ద రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆన్సర్. క్లియర్? ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. సో probability of A and probability of B lies between 0 and 1. Okay, and probability of A and B equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A into probability of B. So this is the given information. Now which of the following statements are correct? Which of the following statements are correct? Okay, fine. Okay, now so before going to check the options, okay, first observe the given information. So what is given? Probability of A and B equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A into probability of B. But actually what is the formula for this this probability of A and B? So that is addition theorem. Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. This is actually probability of A intersection B. Yes or no? So that means probability of A intersection B equal to probability of A into probability B. So what can you say from this? A and B are independent events. A and B are independent events. Okay, fine. Now the first condition. Now we will check the first condition. So probability of B given A. Since A and B are independent events, then probability of B given A equal to probability of B, because that B independent on A. Okay na? So whatever it may be happen A. Okay na? So probability of B given A equal to, so this must be equal to probability of B, not probability of B minus probability of A. Okay na? So this statement is wrong. Clear? Okay, fine. Now probability of A dash minus B dash. Probability of A dash minus B dash. Suppose take the events A dash and B dash. అంటే నేను ఈవెంట్స్ని A dash B dashగా తీసుకుంటాను. AB కాదు, A dash B dash ఆర్ ద 2 సెట్స్గా తీసుకుంటాను. ఓకే. నౌ A dash minus B dash. సో A dash minus B dash means this part. A dash minus B dash is this part. Okay, now this part can be written as, okay, so this part can be written as A dash minus A dash intersection B dash. A dash minus A dash intersection B dash. So then probability of A dash minus B dash, okay, this is A dash minus B dash equal to like this. So therefore probability of A dash minus B dash equal to ఏమవ్వాలి probability of A dash minus probability of A dash intersection B dash. Yes or no? But here probability of A dash minus B dash is given. So this statement also wrong. Clear? Okay. Now probability of A and B dash. Okay na? So probability of A and B dash means this is probability of A union B bar. So this is equal to 1 minus probability of A union B, because probability of A plus probability of A bar equal to 1. Kabatti probability of A bar equal to 1 minus probability of A. Yes. Now this is equal to 1 minus, what is the probability of A and B is given? This one. Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A into probability of B. Yes. Now this is 1 minus probability of A minus probability of B minus or minus plus probability of A into probability of B. Clear? Now 1 minus probability of A, which is probability of A bar. Okay. Now, okay, I will write this one later. So 1 minus probability of A minus, so take common probability of B here, then what you will get? If you take common probability of B, 1 minus probability of A. Yes or no? Now this is equal to 1 minus probability of A into 1 minus probability of B. So 1 minus probability of A is nothing but probability of A dash. This is probability of B dash. Yes or no? Yeah. So that means this statement is correct. This statement is correct. Clear? Okay. Now, so we will check the last statement. What is that? So probability of A given B. Probability of A given B equal to probability of A. Yeah, this is direct statement because A and B are independent events. Independent events kabatti. So the happening of A independent on B. So probability of A given B equal to probability of A. Yes? That's all. So these two statements are the correct statements. Okay, so next problem. So E and F are two independent events. E and F are two independent events. Then the probability of exactly one of them occur is 11 by 25. And probability of none of them occur is 2 by 25. So this is the given information. Now which of the following statement is correct? Okay na? So here you have to find the probability of E and probability of F. Okay na? Fine. Now from the given information, so E and F are independent events. Okay na? So let these are E and F. So exactly one of them occur. Exactly one of them occur means, so either A, not either, okay. Only E occur or only F occur. Okay na? Clear? Exactly one of them occur. So that is probability of E plus probability of F minus 2 into probability of E intersection F. So already man problem check. If A and B are two events, exactly one of them occurs, probability of A plus probability of B minus 2 into probability of A intersection B. Okay na? Because so only E occur means E minus this E intersection F. Okay na? Only F occur means F minus intersection. Okay. So we are subtracting E intersection of 2 times. That's why probability of E plus probability of F minus 2 into probability of E intersection F. So this is equal to 11 by 25. This is the equation number 1. Fine. Now second, probability of none of them occur. So probability of none of them occur means probability of E dash intersection F dash. Okay na? E does not happen, F does not happen. Both should not happen. Okay na? Fine. So this can be written as probability of E union F bar. E bar intersection F bar, U union F bar. So this is equal to 1 minus probability of E union F. Yes. Now what is the value of this one? So this value is 2 by 25. Yeah. So from this probability of U union F equal to 1 minus 2 by 25, which is equal to 23 by 25. Now what is probability of union F? The probability of union F equal to probability of E plus probability of F minus probability of E intersection F equal to 23 by 25. So this is the equation number 2. Yeah. And now by solving this 2, see from 1 and 2, subtract 1 minus 2, do 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 implies, so P of E cancel, P of F cancel, and this is minus 2 into probability of intersection F, this is plus, so that is minus probability of E intersection F equal to 11 by 25 minus 23 by 25. Yes or no? Which is equal to minus 12 by 25. Minus 12 by 25. Clear? So therefore, so what is the probability of E intersection F? Probability of E intersection F equal to 12 by 25. But E and F are independent events. So this is equal to probability of E into probability of F equal to 12 by 25. So this is the equation number 3. Okay. Fine. Now if you substitute this probability of E intersection F equal to 12 by 25 in equation number 2. Okay. From equation number 2, what can you write? Probability of E plus probability of F equal to, okay, because this probability of E intersection F move to right side, that is 23 by 25 plus 12 by 25, which is equal to 35 by 25. This is equation number 4. Yeah. Now see, A into B equal 12 by 25, A plus B equal to 35 by 25. Okay. So from this 2, which one is correct? So from this 2, by using 3 and 4, we can decide which option is correct. Okay. Now check. See, the product is 12 by 25. So the first one, the product is 12 by 25. So first one is chances are there. Second one, the product is 3 by 25. So this is wrong. This also wrong. Now the possibilities are A and D. Possibilities are A and D because the product is 12 by 25. The sum, what is the sum? So 5 4s are 20 plus 5 3s are 15. 35 by 25. Yeah. So A and D satisfy the, okay, A and D satisfy the statements 3 and 4. So which one is correct? Option A or option B or both? So which one is correct? Okay. So both statements satisfied. So that means option A and option D both are correct. Clear? Multiple answers question this one. Clear? Okay, so next problem. So probability of x given y equal to 1 by 2, probability of y given x equal to 1 by 3, probability of x intersection y equal to 1 by 6. Then which of the following statements are correct? Which of the following statements are correct? Okay. Now, since probability of x intersection y is given, okay, now you have to find the probability of x and probability of y so that we can check all these options. Yes. Now from this probability of x given y, that is probability of x intersection y by probability of y equal to 1 by 2. Yes or no? Probability of x given y. Now what is the probability of x intersection y? Which is 1 by 6. So this is 1 by 6 by probability of y equal to 1 by 2. So probability of y is equal to 1 by 6 by 1 by 2, which is 1 by 3. Yes or no? So probability of y is 1 by 3. Now from this probability of y given x, which is probability of y intersection x by probability of x equal to 1 by 3. Clear? Now, so the probability of y intersection x is 1 by 6 by probability of x equal to 1 by 3. So from this, what is the probability of x? 1 by 6 by 1 by 3, which equal to 1 by 2. Yeah. So we get probability of x equal to 1 by 2 and probability of y equal to 1 by 3. Okay, na? Fine. Now we will check these options. The first option, option A. So probability of x union y is equal to probability of x plus probability of y minus probability of x intersection y. So what is the probability of x? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. So the LCM is 6. Yes. So 2 3s are 3 2s are minus 1. So which is 4 by 6, which is equal to 2 2s are 2 3s are. Yes. So the first option is correct. First option is correct. Now second one, probability of x complement intersection y. Okay na? So that is x y. Okay, x complement, okay, other than x, okay, with intersection y. Okay, so other than x means this part, other than x means this part. Okay, other than x, yeah, with intersection y. Yes, with intersection y. So this part is y, this one. Okay, now therefore x complement intersection y can be written as this part means y minus y intersection x. Yes or no? This part y minus y intersection x. Clear? So the probability of x complement intersection y is equal to probability of y minus probability of x intersection y. So what is the probability of y? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. So which is equal to 1 by 6. Yes? 3 2s are, okay? So 2 by 6, so 1 by 6. But what is given? 1 by 3 is given. So this is wrong statement. Okay. Now x and y independent. So x and y independent. So independent check cheyali probability of x intersection y equal to probability of x into probability of y. Then they are independent. So probability of x intersection y is given 1 by 6. This is 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So this is correct. 1 by 6 equal to 1 by 6. So this x and y are independent. So x and y are independent means that not independent is wrong, obviously. Okay. So the correct statements are probability of x union y equal to 2 by 3 and x and y are independent events. Clear? Okay, next E, F, G are pairwise independent events. Okay, na? So pairwise independent events means, so pairwise independent means, so probability of E intersection F equal to probability of E into probability of F. అలాగే probability of E intersection G equal to probability of E into probability of G, and probability of F intersection G is equal to probability of F into probability of G. So this is the meaning of pairwise independent events. And probability of G is greater than 0 given, and probability of E intersection F intersection G equal 0 also given. Okay, fine. Now you have to find the value of this one, probability of E dash intersection F dash given G. Okay, na? So actually what is the value of this one? This can be written as probability of E dash intersection F dash intersection G by probability of G. Yes? Clear? Okay, no? Probability of A given B. Probability of A given B equal to probability of A intersection B by probability of B. Okay, no? Now, so what is this? What is the value of this one? Okay, so take the diagram. See, event E, F, G. Okay, so 3 sets. So E, F, G, 3 sets. Now, so what we want? So what we want actually? E complement. So E complement means we don't want E. You don't want this E. F complement. So you don't want this whole F. Intersection G, we want G. Okay? So this G is include. This G is include. We don't want E or we don't want F. So that means we want this. Yes? We don't want E and we don't want F. But we want G. Okay? Na? So this region. Yeah? So this region can be written as total G. See, this total G minus this part. Minus this part and this part. Clear? Yeah. So how can we write this one? Yeah. Probability of G. Probability of G minus. Okay. So, ఈ probability of G, ఈ total G అనమాట. ఈ G నుంచి ఇది subtract చేయాలి. What is this? This part. Okay na? This part. What is this part? E intersection G. Okay na? So, probability of E intersection G. Subtract చేసామా? నెక్స్ట్ ఇది కూడా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఇది కూడా అవసరం లేదు మనకి. అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? మైనస్ ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ జి. ఓకే, అయితే ఇక్కడ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమైంది? ఈ దిస్ కామన్ రీజన్ అనేది ఇక్కడ ఒకసారి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసిన, అలాగే ఎఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ జి తీసుకునేటప్పుడు ఇంకోసారి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసాను. 2 times సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసినాం కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి? 1 time యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో దట్ ఈస్ ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఈ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఎఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ జి. ఎందుకంటే ఈ కామన్ రీజన్ అనేది ఏం చేస్తాం మనం? ఈ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ జి తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఒకసారి ఆల్రెడీ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసినాం, ఎఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ జి తీసుకున్నప్పుడు కూడా ఇంకోసారి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసాం. 2 times సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ అయింది కాబట్టి దాన్ని 1 time యాడ్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. బై ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ జి. నౌ దిస్ ఈక్వల్ టు, ఎనీవే దిస్ వాల్యూ 0 నా? దిస్ E intersection F intersection J, the value of this one is 0. Okay, fine. Now probability of J minus probability of E into probability of G, because independent events. This is probability of F into probability of G, because E, F, G are pairwise independent events by probability of G. Now, so from these two, if you take common probability of G, what you will get? 1 minus probability of E. Yes? Minus probability of F. Okay? Yeah. I will take probability of G common from total numerator. Yeah. By probability of G. So probability of G will be cancelled. So 1 minus probability of E, which is probability of E dash, minus probability of F. So probability of E dash minus probability of F. Yes? Clear? Okay. So the option C is the correct one.